Hello, Team Edibles. On our Ramadan food series today is millet porridge, aka Hausa kooko. Let's get started. In a bowl, I add in my millet flour. Then I add water to it, and then I go ahead turn it into a dough. I will cover and then allow it to rest overnight. Hello there is the next day. The whole idea is that we want it to ferment, okay? So I add water to it and then I mix all together. I add more water and then I'll go ahead and strain it using my chiffon cloth. You can also use cheesecloth or any strainer you have, okay? Hello there. If today is your first time of seeing my channel, my name is Mariam. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to check on your girl. So we are done with the straining. I'll cover this and then allow it to rest for at least 3 hours. After 3 hours, this is what we have. The water has separated itself from the millet. So the next thing we are going to do is to decant the fermented water into a saucepan. Alright, so this is what we have here. I will cover this and then I bring it to boil on high heat. Now back to our millet. I will stir this continuously to loosen it up. After that, I will scoop about 3 tablespoons and set aside. Now let's check on our water. It has started boiling, so quickly we transfer that into our millet. You have to be very fast. And then you stir it continuously. So you have to be fast, okay? Else it will form lumps and we don't want that. Actually, I don't like thick porridge. So I'll go ahead and add some of the hot water to it just to adjust to my consistency. You don't need to do that if you want your own very thick, okay? So I continue stirring. At this point, we go ahead and add the 3 tablespoons we set aside. We add and then stir it continuously. The whole idea is that we don't want water to accumulate on the surface of the porridge whilst the porridge is resting. That is why we scoop some and then after mixing with the water, we add the one we scooped and set aside. And just like that, our kooko, our Hausa kooko millet porridge is ready. And this is for iftar. It's not time yet. So I will transfer that into my flask just to keep it warm. So here I cover and then set aside. When it's time, we will go ahead and serve and then enjoy with some pinkas. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed. Bye bye.